RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF University.
Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Rajasthan State Gas Limited is recruiting for regular positions including officer in project, finance and accounts, marketing and sales, HR and the company secretary. Additionally, there are fixed-term contract positions available for associate in operations and maintenance and associate in project. Interested candidates are advised to go through the detailed advertisement posted on their website. Now, reservation rules will be followed as per government norms. The last date for receipt of applications is August 25, 2024. The International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials is inviting applications for the positions of assistant, technical assistant and technician. For a detailed advertisement containing information on qualifications, experience, relaxation, general terms and conditions and more, please visit their website at www.arci.res.in. The last date for submission of online registrations is August 26, 2024. The Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, New Delhi is inviting applications for the positions of director across various institutes, including those focused on tuberculosis, research, nutrition, child health and more. The application deadline is August 5, 2024. And for the detailed advertisement and more information, please visit their website at www.icmr.nic.in or recruit.icmr.org.in. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIIMS Jodhpur, is inviting applications for the following posts on a deputation basis. Principal, Private Secretary, Senior Procurement cum Store Officer and Accounts Officer. The number of posts is tentative. Please note that the maximum age limit for applying for these posts on deputation is 56 years as of the last date of receipt of the application. For the detailed advertisement and online application form, please visit their website at www.aimsjodhpur.edu.in. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, NCRTC, is inviting applications for various positions including Group General Manager, Electrical, Deputy General Manager, Operation Safety, Assistant Manager and an Executive for Cyber Security. The last date for receipt of applications will be as per the detailed vacancy notice on the NCRTC website. Now, for more details about experience, eligibility criteria, application forms and information regarding addition or deletion of posts, please visit their website at www.ncrtc.in under the career section. The Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council is inviting applications for various positions including Program Officer, Program Manager, Business Development Manager, Officer in Data Research, Officer in Finance and Executive Secretary, Make in India. For detailed information regarding qualifications, experience, eligibility criteria, pay scales and more, please visit their official website at www.birac.nic.in. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS Jammu, is inviting applications for the following non-faculty posts on a deputation basis: Assistant Administrative Officer, Sanitation Officer, Office Assistant, Senior Pharmacist, Junior Medical Record Officer, Upper Division Clerk and more. For detailed information on the application form, terms and conditions, please visit their website at www.aimsjammu.edu.in under the recruitment section. Duly filled in applications should reach the undersigned on or before 30 days from the publication of this advertisement. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited is inviting applications for various positions including Additional General Manager in Information Technology and Human Resources, Deputy General Manager, Manager, Deputy Manager and Executive Assistant. For detailed information on qualifications, experience and compensation packages, please visit their website at www.seci.co.in under the career section. Online registration will close on August 28, 2024. Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, Kolkata is inviting applications for various posts. Positions available on a deputation basis include Registrar, Accounts Officer and Assistant. Positions available through direct recruitment include Animator, Upper Division Clerk, Projection Assistant, Lower Division Clerk and more. For detailed information, please visit their website at www.srfti.ac.in. Gas Turbine Research Establishment is inviting applications for various engineering positions in mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, electronics, computer science, and engineering, among others. Now, only GATE scores from 2022, 23, and 2024 are acceptable for qualification. The upper age limit is 28 years as of the last date of receipt of applications. The online application process is expected to start on July 11, 2024, which has already started, and the last date for submission is July 31, 2024. For details, please visit their official website at www.drdo.gov.in under the What's New section. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।